you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in PUBG, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your computer. Begin by restarting your computer. This simple step can clear temporary files and processes that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Steam or Epic Games and navigate to your library. Right-click on PUBG, select Properties, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall. Sometimes these programs can interfere with the installation process. Make sure to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be preventing the installation from completing. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error 2026 in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.